Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called Breadman model of inventory replenishment. Of course, the name is Breadman. Whether referred to as a bin stocking or a Breadman program, it is a process where suppliers generate order for the customer based on their demand information. During the process, the supplier is guided by mutually agreed upon objectives for inventory levels, fill rate, and transaction cost. In this continuous replenishment process, the supplier is better able to project and anticipate the amount of product it needs to produce or supply to the customer. Companies who take advantage of this service enjoy reduced lead time. Transaction costs are substantially lowered because fewer purchase orders are cut. Production line down situations are virtually eliminated with this system in place. How the process works is the customer provides the complete list of pots to be quoted. Included in this information is the estimated annual usage, blueprints of each of the pot, specific material requirement, and the current pricing. Supplier quotes the pots as a cost effectively as possible, utilizing value added engineering methods to reduce overall package cost and minimize the risk. A master quote is created with the information in a format that is easily viewed and understood and appended for any new pots that may come in. Upon acceptance of master quote and the terms in the contract, pots will be produced. Physical inventory will be periodically monitored to make any necessary adjustment in inventory levels. This is to prevent any shortage and ensure billing matches with the usage. On stop, experts review the customer's forecast on a regular basis to ensure adequate inventory level. Invoicing can be set up on a weekly, bi-monthly schedule. Liability for inventory obsolescence and revision level changes are negotiated at the time of contract. Typically, a 3 to 6 month inventory is produced. Thanks for watching. Bye.